Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial guide I want to show to you the easy way how you can protect your life. Life begins right here guys. Any kind of vegetable you have, mango, this is a blueberry, any kind of vegetable, any kind of tree, and in this situation this tree make it good all winter no matter where you are, freezer or whatever. But the flower, they are the beginning of the life, guy. They are tender, they are like babies. You need to protect them for the cold weather. Alright, see how beautiful they are? They are wonderful. But you have to use this kind of blanket there, especially to cover. Because they might be good for the weather, but when the ice is sticking here for hours, they're gonna kill, they're gonna die. And you don't have no fruit, guy. Like a chicken, you have to take care of them too. Make a special house for the weather, because here in this area it's very cold. If your tree a little high, you might need a ladder. Always your ladder need to be level, and they have to be straight like this. When you step in here, you're gonna be safety, alright? Look, this is the way I take care of my tree here. Alright, you can have this blanket on Amazon. I think about 1,000 square feet for about $25. That's special because the ice not going through. And melt it and come around. Very easy, guy. Exactly like I do with this other tree here. And this is peaches. Millions of flowers there. But if you don't take care, the frost is killing them. Baby tomato there. Alright, you need to cover to protect them. Very easy, but very important to do this process, guy, if you want to have fruit. But cilantro, you know how to go about. Cilantro, in the morning it look like it's dead, but they come back, they will be beautiful. Alright. The house, the chicken need to be clean all the time, so never gonna smell badly. This is blueberry tree. You see how I protect? Most I can, alright, for the weather. You need to have an idea to do that, because you cannot go all the way up there, alright? But you have to use a long stick. You pull the stick in the blanket, spray, alright? And you tie with the string, look, any kind of string. And I tie with, I collect water here, and rain it, look. I use the kind of string here to hold the blanket there. That is a different idea, alright? Mint, cilantro, parsley, cabbage, you know how to go about, guys. They're good. Alright, you see how many flowers we have here? Millions. Look, that's what I say. If you don't take care of them, the ice, you're gonna kill them. You don't have no fruit, no life. The beginning of life right here, guys. You have to do your best, alright? You have to protect them like a baby. Alright, yeah, simple like that. Alright, and look what I did here. I use the ladder there, something cannot reach. I use it with this sticker here, look. I spray like this. The blanket go on top of the tree. Look like that. Spray all around and then you tie for here, look. Very easy, guy. And no matter where you are, this kind of tree is very good for winter. You can Alaska, everywhere, New York. But you have to take care of the flower. The flower, your priority there. Because the flower like a baby. At the beginning of the life, alright? This thing is cheap, guys, but it's special frosted. Like I said, the ice is going to stick here, but not go down. It's going to melt the ice and going to come down here. Alright? Very simple, guys. It might take a little longer, but when you do that, check in the weather and the news, and leave it there for days, even if necessary a week. Alright? Look, just like that guy. Alright? You're not putting your life in danger. Using nice sticker to spray on top. Then you tie with the string. Exactly like I do here. The peach tree, alright? Look. And tie with the string. I tie here with the wine. This is great. Why I make it wine. Look, I tie here. Alright, guy. Protect life, right? This is the beginner life, but you need to protect the life. I have to try to help you. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.